Now, nge-31 zaka December 2024, Shadrack Sibiya noSenzo Mchunu, they compiled this document to deactivate or disband the National Task Team for Political Killings. Now, this document was signed by Shadrack Sibiya, and it was signed the National Task Team for Political Killings must be deactivated. Now, kuko konke lokho, uShadrack Sibiya is a Deputy National Commissioner. Then the National Commissioner is Ufani Masimula. Now, on 31 December 2024, Ufani Masimula was on an approved leave, meaning bekangekho emsebenzini, and then they took that advantage to issue this document to deactivate the National Task Team for Political Killings. Now, according to this document, if you read clause 2, it says the Minister of Police, who is uSenzo Mchunu, issued a directive to the National Commissioner to deactivate or disband the National Task Team for Political Killings with immediate effect. Now, according to this document, it says ukuthi that decision was based on the fact that the National Task Team for Political Killings is no longer significant to do policing efforts. And then point number 3, it says this directive is requiring immediate compliance, meaning this deactivating or disbanding a national political task killing team must be done now upon the receiving of this document. But what was funny, this document is addressed to the National Commissioner on the 31st of December, while the National Commissioner was on leave. And this letter was then attended to by Shadrack Sibiya, who signed the document. You can see here, signature yaga Shadrack Sibiya. And these documents, as I said, they were signed by Shadrack Sibiya. There's also a point in these documents that these members, our National Task Team for Political Killings, must go back to Amaposto, and some must be patched to Amanyama posts that are within the SAPS. And then whatever information that they've gathered, meaning all those 121 dockets, melavele ayegwe, and then they must continue doing their own things. And this is what General Mkhwanazi was fighting. And this is what the National Commissioner Ufani Masimula was fighting. Ukuthi angikwazi ukusebenzisa kanje. There's a team that is working. Mkhwanazi's team is working. There's ama-arrest ayenziwayo. There's dockets that are just awaiting for ama-arrest to be done. But instead of you guys supporting us, nifuna ukusivalisa what we are doing, and we are serving the people of South Africa. We're making sure that corruption does not rule in South Africa. Instead of you guys being in the supporting systems, forward we go. You guys are the one creating a border and saying, this line, you don't step over it. Mchunu, noSibiya, amahlathi, aphelile.